Hello everybody, it's Lurgs here. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to save you time and money. And today is how to remove the dispenser drawer of the Neue Washing Machine. And that was my attempt at speaking German. Over time, the dispenser drawer will get full of gunk and gunge and mould, and you don't want that going down and getting in your clothes when you do a wash. Right, let's get cracking. Now, what you're going to need today is you're going to need your wife's toothbrush.
Lurgs, have you been using my toothbrush for cleaning the washing machine again?
No. And you're also going to need a hot, soapy, wet cloth. Before we get started, there's a link above now about how to install a new washing machine. This is the Neue Washing Machine here, and this is an integrated washing machine. So what you do is you just pull out the dispenser drawer to a point where it won't go any further, and then right at the back on the top left hand side you've got this push button. So just gently push that down and then pull the detergent drawer out. Now what you can do is you can remove the fabric softener level indicator. That gives you good access to give that a really good clean. And then what you do is fill up the sink with hot soapy water, take your wife's toothbrush and then just give it a really good scrub. Get rid of any mould and gunk and gunge and just make sure that it's in tip-top sparkling condition before you put it back in. Now before you actually do put it back in, what you want to do is you want to clean out the inside of the dispenser drawer area here, because this can get blocked up on the jets at the top and stop the conditioner or detergent flushing through properly. So again, take a hot soapy cloth and just give this a really good scrub. Be careful if you use a toothbrush in here because you don't want to drop it down the hole because this could damage the washing machine. Then once you've cleaned the dispenser drawer, just slide it into the grooves. You might need to push the button at the back just to give it a bit better access, and then just slide it all the way home. Then it's definitely worth checking the inside of the washing machine. So first of all, open the door and then just check that it spins freely, which it does. And then we're going to check the rubbers. And as you can see here, there's an old bolt which has gone all rusty. So that is not going to be good when you wash your clothes. Again, take your hot soapy wet cloth and just give this a really good scrub in the rubbers. If it's really dirty, you can use your wife's toothbrush. And there's a link above now on various how-to guides on all sorts of makes and models of washing machines. Now the final step is really important. What you want to do is put it on the hottest setting that it will go with no clothes in, and then this will just flush out the entire washing machine and make sure it's all nice and clean. Now there's a link above now about what to do if your washing machine is not draining water. And then it's really important to put your wife's toothbrush back and hope she doesn't notice. And then it's time for a lovely cup of tea. If you're going to be working on the washing machine, always make sure you've got a lovely cup of tea. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here so you don't miss more videos on how to save you time and money. If there's any other useful videos around here, then please select those now. Thank you for visiting my channel everyone, I really appreciate it.